If we have a matic for wave to look in at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for bussing.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV. Oh, me growing up. God make me grow so you know my brethren because me I tell you say me no know me them I sit near my confession life you know because me no know me mama. Me no know I'm only know me born from a woman and you see shake of that natty. Me bumper clot man, me shall sleep a bush like animal. Months me no eat no cook food you know my brethren. Clot.
How are you?
Kid. We ask man me roast hey watch out. When me say cane, orange, mango. Because in a free time in a man when mango a beer and then sit there in my brethren. Coconut. You understand when the company it cook food business, don't me no down a home. Me no know where to cook.
Because upper Clarendon, you know, upper Clarendon a whole heap of orange and breadfruit and mango and cane and in a bush in a Hapland.
Rascal, you know about that talk, man. In a free time, you see. They were paying increase, you know. Right now, the things are not be like na free time, you know, my brethren. See?
True.
Kid. For you drink all one coconut na free time, you have to good for drink two, you know. You can't drink two. One. So we cup them big, you know, man. The breadfruit, them big. When me see what we pear and the breadfruit and the mango, them come down now. Me see she only hurt Dexter ass, man, and give up the increase, man.
You ever said Prince we catch bird yet?
Oh, God almighty, man. Me say when me a carrying bird, man, a 5, 4, 5, me a pen full of them. Right? I mean, I use Calaban, me use the Prince. The Prince, me love.
So you took it, white wing?
Sure. Oh, you know, I'm peed of. White wing, I'm peed of. Right?
You used to say Prince out of Dunks.
Right, it around a mountain of Sharp and Company. Around the acres upon acres of orange there, man. Total amount time much, eh?
How we used to use catch them? Orange seed?
They're not that we use, man, sure.
You see, me know what I go
they're not that we use, man. Eh?
You see, me know what I go and do.
Yeah, sure, man. You can't use corn and rice, too, you know. But just so we, you know, can buy them same thing there. I strictly orange seed. Boy, I tell you, I'm come at town and come do it, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Right now, me have a little farm down there, gungo and thing, and if me go down there right now, go set me wicked. I told you then the rascal, but them, me say when me come at town and see one of them call, we do a white na their head, we then call them again. The black bird them with the white na their head, man, the biggest bird them. Why me all know me can't get none for them. But then name I get, you know, remember?
No, remember the name. So last week, bro.
Remember, you have P-dub and you have white belly.
Yeah, ball
ground dub. White ball plate me attack, yes boy.
Okay.
Ball plate man. Them no come at ground so easy boy. Me say they hard to catch to us. You know long me that on ya man and then enough. And me can't catch one. I mean, you look like if you name them bird, you get all rich, you know. Cause the type man, them, me say go shoot them in the woods, you know, not it. Oh, God Almighty, the big governmental man, them never lies and law about it, say, only past Sunday, them fi shoot them. And then no sufferer can go up, they go shoot none. If then you're gunshot up, the police go up there in a Warwick Hill. And near Warwick Hill, me live in there. You know, hear about Warwick Hill?
Mm-hmm.
Well, at the hill foot way there, you know, and up there, this prisoner, them broke stones, so you do a whole of Jamaica, you know, man, he rode them, you know.
Okay.
A prisoner, then take broke.
You hear about up at Portland there. It look like, say, somebody sneak in reindeer in a Jamaica and let them go in a bush up a Portland. So them breed up there about, then say more than 5,000 deer. They are Portland right now. And you know, say deer no come from Jamaica. Deer are from America. And then you must find them in a place that's cold. So then say because Jamaica so warm and Jamaica always have vegetation right through the year. Jamaica vegetation, they make the deer population grow up, breed up fast. So the government give you free will to shoot them and carry them and go eat them because them a eat off the farmer, them produce, a eat off them vegetable and so forth. You know what they go shoot too.
Lord, my God, what a man like you. Where you get the information from, man, then?
That's serious thing.
But you see, how you ask him, man, me kind of hear that slight talk there over TV, but me don't get it fully like how you tell me. Me don't know that I go on.
That I go on, man, so that I go on, so man, I hunt them like what we are now. But any you're not going to eat them. You can't shoot them.
Then ready. Reindeer or something like how?
Yeah, man, reindeer or something. They meat or something like beef.
Right, no cow. No cow only say for them hand bust enough different sprang. But a cow me I look on to rascal and you see what happened? It's only human being flesh left for me taste, you know. I believe human being flesh supposed to be the sweetest because him not eat grass. Him not eat any type strong food human being yam. You see? If you ever taste for them flesh, maybe you take one grass, you know.
You ever taste dog meat?
No, what happened? One boy usually cook soup after tree and then stop and tell me. No know if a propaganda fast rumor, but then see a dog and he stop and me and him was good friend. And me have to see him and tell him say, soupy, where high no see, no leave. Me here cooking now. And when me come, they come by. Me really see some little something in the soup. When me can't discern. You see when you climb the fucking folios them at night, master. Remember I cut them, we are look for them man and me take my flashlight and she cock. And drag me elastic till it buck and let it go in and fucking head and then kick off of the roof and a big flat under the nung and me go to catch him. Dog in the yard and me no rat clot. It's when the dog then hear the flattery down there. Me say dog don't for me have to get up and let him. Me say man, I don't like dog. The dog take
where your rooster.
What? Him not take it when me not for run left me no nerve them yam him. Me no nerve them yam him but me can't stand up with them the breeder back where people know we can't catch me man. Right? I me have to take on myself man. Now you see when me I go through with a load permit me brethren. And me hold the load. And the dog, she said me two hand up there, me can't get to bend down, take up no stone. The nasty demons, the back of me all 5-6 yards, and make up nice for people draw them window curtain and see me. And when investigation a morning, then she have me, then she pass with the same thing for me. And me now going on premises.
Oh my time. You will buy your load of stone, you know. And you buy your load of sand. And dog left all the way, you know. Go shit in it, you know. And he have bush here going, you know.
What a sensible rascal, man. What a spiteful man.
And the dog
left right there. Right there. I no lie. Me a be son. Yeah. And the fucking pushed on same way. Right? Is that such a demon where you acting for dog? That ain't no laughing, you know. Look, hey, you could have trained him up a little more. You not see him skin teeth about him a laughing, no boy. He's a serious fucking man while you laugh with dog and I look after dog, you know. Dog, I said to fuck you up, you know, man. Right?
I one.
Yes, It's not a demon. Oh, no. You see, them can be trained, though, you know. You see, if you find puppy and you train him, in a sense, you fuck. But that's a human being done. A train human being to be what they want to be, you know. Like how they train dog, you know. Because dog will train and you tell him, sit. I whole day must say there, you know. If you not come back and say, hop, he not get up, you know. Whole day, he lay down the one when you train, you can't tell him that him don't know where you talk about, he not about his business. You understand?
That's true, man.